Namaste, Hamesha Khush Raho Bitiya. My name is Manisha Singh, Assistant Professor in Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Sciences in Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am teaching you transport of fruits and vegetables in subject Food Storage and Transport Engineering in discipline Food and Biotechnology. Now let's start with the topic. First of all, storage and refrigerated of transport in cooling rooms and refrigerated vehicles. The vehicles must have well designed and adequately equipped with the compartments, have slip resistant floors, and are perfectly insulated, have adequate and well positioned doors for loading and unloading, allow effective distribution of cool air, allow monitoring and temperature control, proper air spaces between pallets and room walls to ensure proper air circulation. Then storage. Temperature is the single most important factor in maintaining quality after harvest. Refrigerated storage retards the following elements of deterioration in perishable crops, that is aging due to ripening, softening and textural and color changes, undesirable metabolic changes and respiratory heat production, texture loss resulting to wilting and spoilage due to invasion by bacteria, fungi and yeasts, undesirable growth such as sprouting of potatoes. Objective of fresh fruits and vegetable storage, that is minimize deterioration, extend the shelf life or lifespan of the fruits and vegetables, keep fruits and vegetables in good condition until they are consumed. Why is temperature very critical during storage? Fruits and vegetables have living cells, so they consume oxygen, and the fruits and vegetables act as a substrates for the microorganisms, and they evolve carbon dioxide, heat, ethylene, and losses water through the epidermis, metabolically active, because which leads to tissue softening, conversion of starch to sugars, sorbitol to fructose, organic acid decreasing, and flavor volatiles increasing, and also there is a color change. One of the most important functions of refrigeration is to control the crop's respiration rate. The higher the storage temperature, the higher will be the respiration rate. For refrigeration to be effective in postponing deterioration, it is important that the temperature in cold storage rooms be kept as constant as possible. Storage room should be well insulated and adequately refrigerated and should allow for air circulation to prevent temperature variation. The recommended storage temperatures for apple, asparagus, broccoli, grapes, lettuce, mushroom, peach and plum and berry fruits is 1 to 4 degrees Celsius or 34 to 39 degree Fahrenheit. For avocado, zucchini, eggplant, cucumber, peppers, potato, the temperature of storage is 5 to 9 degrees Celsius or 41 to 48 degree Fahrenheit. For avocado, pumpkin, potato, tomato, papaya, mango, banana, pineapple, and sweet potato, the recommended storage temperature is more than 10 degrees Celsius or 58 degree Fahrenheit. First of all, preventing moisture loss. While temperature is the primary concern in the storage of fruits and vegetables, relative humidity is also important, which directly influences water loss in produce. Most fruits and vegetable crops retain better quality at high relative humidity, that is 80 to 95%, but at this humidity, disease growth is encouraged. Transportation is a big and often the most important factor in the marketing of fresh produce. Ideally, transport would take produce from the grower directly to the consumer, and its losses directly attributed to the transport condition can be high. The goal of every person concerned with transport should be that the produce be kept in the best possible conditions during transport and that the haulage of produce be quick and efficient. To this end, produce should be properly packaged and properly loaded on a suitable vehicle. The damage and loss incurred during non-refrigerated transport are caused primarily by the mechanical damage and by the overheating. Mechanical damages are due to the careless handling of packaged produce during the loading and unloading, vibration of the vehicle, especially on bad roads, fast driving and poor condition of the vehicle, poor storage which allows package in transit to away, the store may collapse, the packages stacked too high, the movement of produce within a package increases in relation to its height in the stack. Overheating is due to occur not only from external sources but also from heat generated by the produce within the package itself. Overheating promotes natural breakdown and decay and increases the rate of water loss from the produce. The causes of overheating include the use of closed vehicles without ventilation, closed door stacking pattern blocking the movement of air between the through thorough packages, thus hindering the dispersal of heat, the lack of adequate ventilation of the packages themselves, exposure of the packages to the sun while awaiting transport or while trucks are queuing to unload at their destination. Fresh produce should not be transported in the vehicles that previously held animals or harmful substances. Ensure that vehicle and containers are clean and sanitary. Hope you all are satisfied with this session. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in our comment box. I will resolve them whenever we have a live session. Thank you so much for watching this video.